Detach. Detach. He detached the cable from the computer. Detach the tag before washing the shirt. Merge. Merge. The two companies will merge next year. The roads merge at the traffic lights. Nip. Nip. Be careful. The cat might nip you. The dog nipped my hand. Partake. Partake. Would you like to partake in the game? I don't want to partake in this argument. Mug. Mug. A man is mugging a woman in the street. The police caught him before he could mug anyone. Forsake. Forsake. I will never forsake you, no matter what happens. You must forsake your bad habits. Mug up. Mug up. I will mug up the vocabulary for the exam. He mugged up last night and got a good grade. Disgusting. Disgusting. The food was disgusting, so I didn't eat it. It's disgusting to pick your nose in public. Immense. Immense. The mountain is immense and tall. The garden is immense and beautiful. Inaugurate. Inaugurate. They will inaugurate the new coffee shop tomorrow. They inaugurated the new airport last month. Withhold. Withhold. Don't withhold any information from me. My boss will withhold my bonus if I don't finish the project. Inflame. Inflame. Don't say that. It will inflame her anger. The argument was calm, but her words inflamed it. Extravagant. Extravagant. He bought an extravagant car that he can't afford. Don't be so extravagant. Spend your money more carefully. Overnight. Overnight. It rained overnight, and the ground is wet. She became famous overnight. Inflame. Inflame. Don't touch the inflamed area on your arm. If you scratch it, it will inflame. Insane. Insane. Do you think that I am insane? I feel like I am going insane.